Where is the Lingayat temple in India? Answer A. Bhubaneswar. In which continent is the Atlas Mountains located? Answer A. Africa. The famous Snake Chance Rock Garden is located in? Answer A. Chandigarh. Javai Dam is in which state? Answer C. Rajasthan. Which is the largest ocean in the world in terms of area? Answer D. South China Sea. Which sea does not have a coast? Answer C. Sargasso Sea. The main feature of which of the following oceans in the coral reef? Answer A. Pacific Ocean. Where is Port Blair located? Answer B. South Andaman. In which of the following country is the Dasta-e-Kabir desert located? Answer D. Iran. By what other names are the cold deserts of the world known? Answer D. Tundra. Which of the following is formed by the deposition of molten rocks? Answer C. Stalagmite. There is a dispute between India and Sri Lanka over which island? Answer C. Kachativu Island. Which continent is called Plateau continent? Answer B. Africa. Which continent has the largest extension of plain in the world? Answer D. Europe. In which of the following areas rainfall occurs throughout the year? Answer B. Equatorial. In which of the following forms most of the world's rainfall occurs? Answer C. Convective rain. Reptiles are not found in which continent? Answer C. Antarctica. Which country is the largest producer of tungsten in the world? Answer C. China. Which state is the largest producer of gypsum in India? Answer B. Rajasthan. Which city is called Garden City? Answer C. Bangalore. West Bengal shares border with how many countries? Answer C. 3. Which state has the highest forest cover among the following Indian states in terms of area? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. The famous Gir forest is located in which state of the country? Answer C. Gujarat. Which is the largest canal in India for agriculture irrigation? Answer C. Indira Gandhi Canal. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on which of the following river? Answer B. Narmada. Which of the following state is the largest producer of manganese in India? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following is the largest river of peninsular India? Answer C. Godavari. Which state of India has the largest reserves of coal? Answer D. West Bengal. Which of the following state is the largest producer of peanuts? Answer C. Gujarat. The longest dam in India is answer C. Hirakud Dam. Which river is known as Dakshin Ganga? Answer B. Godavari. Neeli Thermal Power Station is related to which state of India? Answer C. Tamil Nadu. Koina project is related to which state? Answer C. Maharashtra. What is lagoon? Answer B. Lake. The oldest mountains in India according to geographical history are answer B. Aravallis. Which of the following state does not share border with Rajasthan? Answer D. Uttarakhand. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Answer A. Southern tips of India, Rameshwaram. Hirakud Dam is constructed on which river? Answer B. Mahanadi. How Trump best described how the solar system formed? Answer B. Gradually. The Indian state claimed by China as a part of its territory is answer C. Arunachal Pradesh. Which state first received rainfall due to southwest monsoon? Answer C. Kerala. The river running in both China and India is answer C. Brahmaputra. Maximum salt is produced in the state of answer C. Gujarat. Which one is mined in eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh? Answer A. Bauxite. Which of the following is the longest lake in India? Answer D. Vembanad Lake. Manas National Park is located in which state? Answer C. Assam. The Sonauli border is present between India and dash. Answer D. Nepal. Teesta River originated from which state? Answer C. Sikkim. Dash is the smallest state of India. Answer B. Goa. Which of the following Indian state has the smallest coastline? Answer C. Goa. The major gap in the Western Ghat is at answer A. Pal Ghat. Who is the youngest Indian to conquer the Mount Everest? Answer D. Arjun Vajpayee. Which state is the largest producer of tobacco in India? Answer C. Andhra Pradesh. Where is the Olympic building in India located? Answer B. New Delhi. Which is the biggest planet of the solar system? Answer A. Jupiter. The maximum distance between the Sun and the Earth is called answer C. Upsor. Where are the headquarters of the Zoological Survey of India, which conducts surveys of fauna in India? Answer D. Kolkata. Which one of the following state of India does not produce rubber? Answer B. Telangana. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Answer C. Gujarat. The Clouded Leopard National Park is situated in which of the following state? Answer A. Tripura. Which of the following mountain peak is not situated in Eastern Ghats? Answer B. Salher. Which state government has renamed the Rajiv Gandhi National Park as Orang National Park? Answer C. Assam. India's first national park of dash. Answer C. Jim Corbett National Park. Where is the largest agriculture farm of India? Answer C. Suratgarh. Which of the following state has major deposit of tin ore? Answer C. Chhattisgarh. The widest gap across the Western Ghat is answer D. Pal Ghat. Origin of river Tapti is in answer A. Multai.